Hi. So, hi Manju and Naresh. Wishing you a very, very happy 36th lockdown anniversary. Okay?
Lots of love and happiness coming to your way. For us, you both are very perfect couple.
Yes.
Very, very focused.
Yes.
Freeze.
Free.
And passionate about your respective work.
That's true.
And
Very
you
true.
both are so much in love.
It is.
And this lockdown has brought all of us, and especially I think both of you, more close.
Right. Well, very enjoyable couple. Very decent, a very different and lovable couple which has come to our life. Again, wishing you an excellent and much better future to come ahead.
And so blessed to have you both in our lives.
True.
So for first question,
Yeah.
the answer is
What's the question?
that they know.
Then.
It will be very long
Okay,
otherwise.
lovely, great.
La 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 तू है वही दिल ने जिसे अपना कहा तू है जहाँ मैं हूँ वहाँ अब तो ये जीना तेरे बिन है सदा मिल जाए इस तरह दो लहरें जिस तरह फिर हो ना जुदा हाँ ये वादा रहा ये वादा रहा ये वादा रहा.
Good one. Thank you, Naresh. Thank you, Manju. Being with us, being with our
For being
family,
with us.
and being our family. Thank
Yeah.
you again. Thank you.
Being
the
friends, you were friends, but now you're family to us.
You are always great. Thank you.
And so for the second question,
Thank you.
question's answer, I would love to give answer that as it is, you both are very, very positive people. And Manju being around 24/7, anyone can become positive. So there is the answer for that question is your favorite song, and it is like this. तूफान तो आना है आकर चले जाना है बादल है ये कुछ पल का छाकर डल जाना है परछाइयाँ रह जाती निशानी है जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं तेरी मेरी कहानी है एक प्यार का नगमा है मौजों की रवानी है जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं तेरी मेरी कहानी है.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget that.
Manju, oh Manju, Mango, please.
Hi Naresh Bhaiya, Manju Bhabhi.
Hi Bhaiya Bhabhi. So what has the lockdown done to you both? I'm sure Naresh Bhaiya now understands the essence of Bellamente and the resolution that you both would be taking post lockdown. I'm sure is going to enjoy each day as it comes to the fullest. Wish you a very, very happy anniversary. It's not the destination, it's not the journey, it's the travel partner that makes the journey worthwhile. Enjoy.
Wishing you both a very, very happy anniversary.
Hello Manju Naresh.
Hello Manju, hello Naresh.
Wish you a very very happy anniversary.
Wish you a very happy anniversary to both of you.
I know this is a very difficult period for both of you because Naresh must be doing Manju, 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 Manju. And
Now Manju, you must have got frozen because of him saying Manju, Manju, Manju.
yes.
Everything is well organized by him. क्या हाल होगा तुम्हारा मंजू? We are very much worried about you. But anyway,
We'll give you a
enjoy
big
your
trophy.
anniversary.
Big trophy to you
Thank-
after the lockdown.
Thank you.
Hi Manju Bhabhi and Naresh Bhaiya. So finally your anniversary is round the corner. Naresh Bhaiya, you are a wonderful guy, and Manju Bhabhi, you are too sexy.
Naresh Bhaiya and Manju, wishing you a very happy anniversary. Always stay as romantic as ever, and hope we very soon have a Vedic where you get my room and the pool all to yourself. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary Manju Bhabhi and Naresh Bhaiya.
Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, Naresh and Manju. Have a wonderful time. कहीं तुम दादा दादी हो, कहीं तुम पापा मम्मी हो, कहीं तुम सास ससुर हो. This is the time you have to be the same one which you were there at the date of your marriage, and the next day was, wow, that was the first night. So many happy returns of the night. Enjoy yourself and do think that this is the best time you have in your life. Enjoy yourself. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, Naresh Manju.
नरेश और मंजू की एनिवर्सरी है और लॉकडाउन के कारण एक स्पेशल एनिवर्सरी है. विथ सम अपॉलॉजीज टू महादेवी वर्मा, एक कविता है उनकी, तुम मुझ में प्रिय फिर परिचय क्या. नरेश शायद रिकॉल भी कर लेगा. इस कविता के एक्चुअल लाइन्स तो इस तरह से हैं, तुम मुझ में प्रिय फिर परिचय क्या, हारूं तो खोऊं अपनापन, जीत बनूं तेरा ही बंधन, प्रिय मेरी हार विजय क्या, तुम मुझ में प्रिय फिर परिचय क्या. पर हमने इसको थोड़ा ट्विस्ट दे दिया है. जब नरेश मंजू के संग में फिर तालाबंदी का भय क्या, तुम मुझ में प्रिय फिर परिचय क्या.
देर सुबह तक सोई रहूं मैं, कॉफी लेकर तुम आ जाना, ना तुमको ऑफिस की जल्दी, ना ही अब देर से घर आना.
ना तो अब कोई ईओ है, ना ही किसी पार्टी में जाना, तालाबंदी का भय क्या, तुम मुझ में प्रिय फिर परिचय क्या। 9 मई को आई थी मंजू, नहीं बची थी और आरजू, फिर वैभव निकुंज का आना, कनुप्रिया कर्णिका अधीरा, महक उठी जीवन की बगिया, कैपिटल अप्रिसिएशन के साथ डिविडेंड इनकम का आ जाना।
लॉकडाउन के लवली मोमेंट्स लंबी हनीमून हो जैसे, दिल से दिल के तार जुड़े फिर जागी फिर सोई केमिस्ट्री।
लॉकडाउन खुलने का भय है, लॉकडाउन तालाबंदी का भय क्या, तुम मुझ में प्रिय फिर परिचय क्या। सो अ वेरी हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी, लॉकडाउन स्पेशल एनिवर्सरी टू बोथ नरेश एंड मंजू।
Enjoy.
Hi Naresh Bhaiya, Manju Bhabhi. I think this lockdown, the effect of the lockdown must be that both of you must be willing to listen and actually assimilate each other's gyan. Rather than, it was normally all imparted to the others. The pledge probably would be that, you'd get the MIV friends over for dinner once a month and probably get barbecue catering with it.
So, Bhaiya and Bhabhi, I think, we would wish you a lovely, lovely anniversary. And I think the best thing that you could do on this anniversary is enact the song, Andar se koi bahar na ja sake aur bahar se koi andar na aa sake. I don't think you could have had a better anniversary. So have a wonderful, wonderful day and enjoy yourselves.
Wishing you a lifetime of love and togetherness. All the best.
We all know Naresh Bhaiya just cannot function without Manju Bhabhi. It keeps going like this.
Manju, oh Manju, what do I do?
Manju, oh Manju,
What do I do?
and to top it, अब ये लॉकडाउन आ गया. अब I am sure उनका यही हाल होता होगा. मंजू, 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 मंजू. और मंजू भाभी is busy fixing everyone else's problem. And something like this must be happening between them.
Manju, I can't tell you how much I love you. There is so much faith and hope I have in you.
Naresh, be calm. Hope, faith, love. Be gentle with yourself. You are doing the best you can. Be patient because every red light eventually turns green.
Manju, you should know that I am not you. I have my own limitations. Please explain properly.
Naresh, don't set yourself on fire to keep others warm.
मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
मैं समझाती हूँ. Look, Naresh.
I have my own limitations. Please explain properly.
Naresh, don't set yourself on fire to keep others warm.
मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
मैं समझाती हूँ. Look, Naresh, health doesn't come from medicine. Most of the time, it comes from peace of mind, peace of soul, peace of heart. It comes from love and laughter. तो ऐसा करो, पहले 2 लाइन तुम संभाल लो और लास्ट 2 लाइन पे मैं वर्क कर लेती हूँ.
Manju, you should understand, sometimes a piece of cake is better than a piece of advice. It always doesn't work with advice.
काट दो बेटा. ये है उनका लॉकडाउन का हाल. After lockdown, I am sure they would believe in the mantra for life.
Om
Ignoraya Namaha. Om Ignoraya Namaha. Om Ignoraya Namaha. A very happy anniversary, Bhaiya and Bhabhi.
Happy anniversary, Naresh Bhaiya and Manju Bhabhi, and wishing you many, many happy returns of the day and the night, of course. So, I'm sure this lockdown is going to get both of you even more closer, much more closer than you've ever been.
emotionally and physically, of course.
I don't think this lockdown is going to have any effect on either of them. I think they've reached a point in their lives where nothing can change them. Come rain, come hail, come lockdown. So nothing's going to change them, and we don't want them to change.
So भैया and भाभी, wish you both a very happy anniversary. आप लोग दोनों हरे भरे रहिए. And now here's a very very special lockdown wish for you.
हम तुम
Ding 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 ding.
एक कमरे में बंद हो
Ding 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 ding.
और चाबी खो जाए.
Have fun.
Have fun and wish you a very very happy anniversary again.
Hello.
Hello.
Dear Manju and Naresh, this lockdown is not going to last forever, but may your love for each other keep you locked together forever and ever.
जब तक रहे दिन सूरज की बाहों में, जब तक रहे दिन सूरज की बाहों में और रहे रात तारों की छाँव में, होके मगन यूं ही चलते रहना तुम दोनों प्यार की मीठी राहों में, प्यार की मीठी राहों में. Happy anniversary, dear Manju and Naresh bhaiya.
Happy anniversary.
Yay!